It is the 1st of May and it is the day when India was all set to vaccinate all adults. Well, at least theoretically, it is looking like a token rollout on the ground today, with the majority of states delaying the process due to a shortage of vaccine supply. The centres put the onus on states and private hospitals, remember, to procure their own vaccines for those between the age group of 18 to 44. Now, there are only some states that will actually be able to carry out the vaccination today for this age group of 18 to 44. Some private hospitals too, like Fortis Healthcare, Apollo Hospitals and Max Healthcare, have said that they have managed to procure vaccinations from the manufacturers and will be disseminating vaccine at select locations. Beneficiaries, however, have to book on the CoWIN app. I'd like to just tell our viewers that if you are in the age group of 18 and 44 and you're looking to go out and get yourself vaccinated, you have to pre-book your slot. The walk-in facility and the walk-in option is only available for those above the age of 45. Let's get you an update on what's happening in different parts of the country. The COVID-19 vaccine for the age group of 18 to 44 in Mumbai will be done at only 5 centres today. This according to the city's municipal body. These centres are the Nair Hospital, the BKC Jumbo facility, the Cooper Hospital, Seven Hills Hospital and the Rajwadi Hospital. We will get you all the details on what's happening in Mumbai, but take a look at the full story.
30-year-old Vivian Albert was eagerly looking forward to his first jab after booking an appointment on the CoWIN app days ago. But this message means he won't be able to take the vaccine on the 1st of May.
I got a message from the center that it has been cancelled since there are no vaccination available.
Young India is clearly in for a disappointment. With vaccine stocks in short supply, most in the age group 18 to 44 won't be able to take the jab on the 1st.
सबसे पहले तो मेरी आप सब लोगों से निवेदन है कि अभी आप सेंटरों पे लाइन में मत लगिएगा.
We are requesting the people of Karnataka, especially those who are above 18 years up to 44 years, to refrain from going to the hospitals thinking that you may be vaccinated.
In state after state, it's a similar situation. There are just not enough vaccines to go around.
We come to you from a vaccination center run by the Chennai Corporation at the Adyar area. A steady stream of visitors under the 45 plus category to get themselves inoculated. But Tamil Nadu will not kickstart the third phase for 18 plus category.
After the state government's SOS, the Serum Institute will now send Rajasthan 3 lakh doses. And to begin with, the state plans to inoculate people between the 35 to 44 age group.
वहाँ के अधिकारियों को फोन आया कि हम आपको 3 लाख वैक्सीन दे सकते हैं. अब आप बताइए कि इतने बड़ी संख्या है बेनिफिशरीज की, अब 3 लाख डोज में हम किसको लगाएं, किसको छोड़ें?
All states in the northeast will not launch the vaccination expansion as scheduled. What's adding to the confusion, private hospitals so far efficiently involved in the vaccination drive will also not be able to participate in the new rollout.
We are waiting for the SOP from where we have to procure the medicines or the vaccines, because till now we are not contacting any of the private company because it is not available also.
Maharashtra, Bihar, West Bengal, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Most states will not be able to inoculate the 18 to 44 age group on the 1st. In Kerala, despite these long lines, the daily vaccinations have seen a dip, crossing the 1.5 lakh mark just twice in the last 10 days. The state government has maintained that their priority is to vaccinate beneficiaries who need a second dose.
According to sources, the state has now written to the centre that due to acute shortage of vaccinations, they are likely to stop vaccinating beneficiaries that need their first dose and instead focus on those that need their second.
Jammu and Kashmir say vaccine manufacturers have informed them it will take at least 20 days for the supply to start to states, as the priority is to complete the central government's orders first.
Manufacturers का कहना है कि जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के ऑर्डर्स हैं उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना उनके लिए पहली प्रायोरिटी, और स्टेट्स को जो सप्लाई देनी है उन्होंने वैक्सीन की वो देने में उनको 15-20 दिन लग सकते हैं.
And as the country's vaccination drive hits a roadblock just ahead of its most ambitious expansion yet, Young India, eagerly awaiting for their turn to take the jab, will have to wait a little longer. NDTV Bureau Report.